Hi everyone, let's start PostgreSQL database architecture. Here we have a basic architecture of PostgreSQL database. We have a computer machine in which we install the operating system like Red Hat or Oracle Linux. Then we install the PostgreSQL database engine on this machine. When we start the services of PostgreSQL database, three major components of PostgreSQL database will work together. So let's discuss each components in detail. So these are the major components of PostgreSQL database. First one is the background process, second one is the memory area, and the last one is storage area. Background process is one of the major components of PostgreSQL database. To ensure that the Postgres operate smoothly, efficiently, and reliably, so background processes are work together and contributing towards the overall performance and scalability of database system. These background processes have a specific roles, just like the other relational database management system. So PostgreSQL also utilize their background processes to manage the different duties. And PostgreSQL uses the several background processes to manage its operation efficiently. Memory area is essential to manage the databases effectively in PostgreSQL, and its mechanism for caching the frequently accessed data improve the query and overall database performance. It also maintains the consistency of data while allowing the user to concurrent access. So proper configuration of a memory parameter based on your workload and your available system resources can lead to the significant improvement in the query performance and overall database efficiency. Similarly, database store is data files, wall files, and system catalog, that is the storage area. And for maintaining the database performance, reliability, and the data integrity, so we have to efficiently manage and monitor our storage area.